Uh, Alright, guys. Welcome again. Today, I want to show you another way to find some geological map online. Last time it was from USGS, and finally I realized uh, my microphone wasn't recording my voice. So this one was a quiet video, but on this one I hope it's recording. So on this tutorial, I want to show you how to download the data this time from one website called onegeology. For me, my country of interest is Burkina Faso in West Africa, and I found there's like two different data. This one I found it more trustworthy. Uh, so I already started, but I wanna show you how to get this. So first of all, you have to come to this website. For those of you sometimes that don't found the resource, or if I forgot it, you can join my Telegram channel in my YouTube channel description, so and ask for the data if you want or if you don't understand anything. So basically this is a website where uh one geology website portal. This one is quite interesting because sometimes it's hard to find tutorial on how to download this, and I want to give a shout out to my friend from Tanzania who showed me how to do it. And now I'm recording it, hoping anyone who will be interested, he will find it useful. So, like basically, when you zoom it, depending on your PC and internet connection, uh, the layer will be displayed here. Okay, for me, for example, Eurasia, I'm not interested in this one. I want for me for Africa. This is for like Africa geological map. And as soon as I check it, I can click on, just click here, and then you will see the different links. And this one is for download. From here, you can read the description 1/1 million scale geological map of Africa. And I copy the link and I basically come to QGIS. And when we came here, uh, you need to come here. Like me, I was doing it here, but it's the wrong way. You need to come here and, for example, add a new connection in WFS. Connection name, let's name it Geology of Africa. Africa 1 Geology. And you don't need to change anything here and click on OK. Uh, Let me toggle this one off and this one. Yes. For this, let's disable the other layers. Okay. And we can come like here. Let's see which one we're interested. Continental boundary fault. We even have a fault here. That's interesting. Geological unit. So we're interested, of course, in geological unit, but there's a lot of data here. You can from here export the layer if you want, like export it from here to a shapefile, like wall. Okay, wall. No, this is Africa geo underscore 1 g dot hsp. You don't need to add the extension, but if you're used to work with ArcMap, we're good. Okay, and this at the time it's exporting. I personally like this method because it has more details, and for some country, I think it's more like useful than the one from USGS, depending on your country and interest. So let's add it here. Add the layer to the canvas. Mm, African geological, not so. Zoom to layer. African geological unit. I wanna add layer. Yes, select all. I think it's loading. I will pause it when it's finished. I will show you guys again. Alright, guys. Sorry for that. Let's continue. And as you can see, it's loading. So you need to be careful because this data is really used. So sometimes depending on your PC, it will take time. So what I did is just to add it here. It's quite intuitive. But like it takes time to load. So it's always a good idea to clip it to your region of interest. Uh, Let me see here. Like I had this one. This is my region of interest. And something I want to also show you guys, like if you try to clip it, your processing clip, and sometimes it will not work. So you need to use the fixed geometry here. Okay, this one it work. But if like some of you found problem it's not working, uh, come to the processing toolbox and look for fixed geometry. My previous one I use it, and then you put your like your file here and fixed geometry. Basically, you will try to convert it to something like QGIS could understand. Fixed geometry, it's the same file, but this one QGIS will be able to read it properly, so you can use it to clip. If you are, this is in case you are having some problem with the clipping. So you can see the fixed geometry here, and the original layer is the same. Okay, so this is my clipped geology. Now the PC can run smoothly because this is a small area. If you want, you can rename it. But like I wanna play with the symbology a little bit. Always remember to classify and choose the value anyways. Like here, code, stratigraphy, age, notation, but usually we'll go lithosphere. I don't know, stratigraphy. I think. Okay, you can see this is like sedimentary, like the rock type, sedimentary. And okay, you apply it. If you want to like finish it and export the map, if you want to finish it, export the map is always a good idea to play with like the Cambodia. You can try to change it to like the normal color, like sedimentary, or, or like if you want to display the rock, there's no problem. But like in case you maybe want like to display the egg is maybe not egg is notation. What I mean, yes, like this like the geological area. If you want, you can follow up a specific color for this. Like, look for the conventional color and change them. And also you can find what this value mean in the metadata. So as you can see, it's a nice looking geological map of Burkina Faso. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you found this useful. And again, I give a credit to one guy from Tanzania, Luko, who showed me how to do it. So thank you very much if you have made it so far. Yeah, thanks. And see you next time.